So if you saw this service video to this, it's as new in a box set. There's the box. We'll better dig the mic out because I'll go through to the base station with the factory original mic at the end. If it works, we'll find out whether it works. So we have the original mic there. I've not taken the accessories out of the box. I'm running one of Mr. Chippie's powers, which we make here. So, Maxon Precision series, well, Midland Precision series made by Maxon. December 1981 is the date. It's doing 3.8 watts and it's receiving at 0.51 microvolts, which is exactly where it should be. And it came in with atrocious receive, with the detector miles out and the IF not far behind. There's a lot of noise on that. See how it goes. So we run on a standard Cybernet wired replacement mic. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that.
Are you plugging in a speaker or anything like that?
Yeah, I just didn't tell you.
Roger, well, let me know when you're ready.
Right, I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger dodger.
Alright, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger. Alright, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the line.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station 133.9 and 142.9.
Roger dodger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
You got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Stretch Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Stretchy Corner and Wilsford. 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Stretch Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On the Midland 2001 Precision series from 1981. I'm on a standard replacement mic and bringing in 3.8 watts here.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger.
Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So, producing 3.8 watts, Midland 2001 Precision series made by Maxon in 1981. And it's showing just 888 milliamps. These don't have low power, and I'm on a standard replacement mic. But that's it, over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, it's 138. Yeah, 138.9, 144.7.
Right, absolutely fine, that works. Thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
And 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over raw speed level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, it's 138, yeah, 138.9, 44.7.
Right, that's absolutely fine. That worked a treat. Thank you very much.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. There we go. Lovely. Glad I sorted that out for the customer. Lots of these sets in boxes are non-workers. They were returns and they're just kind of still in the system, aren't they? So they mostly need looking at. And we'll go over to our base station, which although is a Midland, is a Max. This is a Maxon innards and that Midland's a Cybernet innards. So there we go. And what I'll do, I'll go through with the original mic, which I've temporarily taken the bag off, so you don't hear me talking through muffled bag. Tango 21 testing the Midland 2001 Precision Series set from 1981 with our standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base stations. Now these radios don't have low power, and this is at 3.8 watts. So we'll now go over to the factory original mic, which I've just taken out of the packet. Tango 21 testing the factory original mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So with that, I think we've got a binatone breaker phone tomorrow. I also know that we've got a little 2-channel Harrier WT1 handheld in for service, believe it or not. So there we go. And then we'll, in between those, we'll have got some more sets from this customer, so something smart and boxed.